Recording in progress.
Hi, good morning, superheroes. My dear traders, welcome to this live. Let's see where exactly we get an entry. If Nifty breaks 17,330, then I will have a wonderful entry. Let me buy. Let me buy call option. So I have two things in my watch list. One is 17,250 call option, and the other one is 17,350 put option. If call option is anything above 140, 143, 143, anything above 143, I can initiate a buy trade, but still, let's see. I have to see the closure of this candle. Now it's trading at 17,319. It has to go beyond 70. It has to cross 17,330. Let's see what's the status in. Yes, even in this also it is green. It's showing green. This candle is green. I've still not made any entry. Let me check in 5 minutes time frame. Yes, this the candle closed in a doji, so it is better to wait for another candle. So let's wait for another 5 minutes. It has to break the high of this. I mean, it is 17,330. It has to break 17,330. Then we will get a wonderful entry, and almost 12 to 15 points we can expect. Let's see where do we get the entry. Let me check the sectorial indices. Yes, most of the sector is in red. Metal is in red, and most of them are above zero point 0.5 in red point, except FMCG. Everything is in red. Let's see where do we get an option to trade. If this candle closes in red, then we may have an opportunity to sell. Which is nothing but buying a put option. Let's see what is the status in Bank Nifty is also going up, going up, going up. Bank Nifty is going up. The first 15 minutes high and lows are 17,268 and 17,331. This is almost 61 points. No, not 61, it is almost 63 points. This is well, and this is trading well above the VWAP on 1 minute time frame. Let me check it in 5 minutes. Yes, even in 5 minutes, it's well above the VWAP, but I am unable to get into any trade because I see only none of the candles have closed above this. So somewhere 143 call option I can buy. If any candle closing above 143, I can initiate a buy trade here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. There is a buying pressure in this 5 minutes. I have to wait for this 5 minutes candle. Let this candle close. It will take another 1 minute. Let this candle close and then let's see how things will go. If this candle closes in strong red, or if this candle crosses by any chance 17,307 or 17,310, this should not form a confusion candle again. This is forming an inside candle. I have not initiated any trade. I think this is gradually turning green. It's 0.14%, 0.14%, 0.14%. One, one, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, six, seven. There are six sectors. There are seven sectors. So this is making an inside candle. Actually, this made an inside candle here. Inside candle for the doji. Again, I have to wait for this candle to close. I need another 4 minutes. Let me analyze the thing. Even in 15 minutes, it's showing a red candle. That's what, if it is coming below, if this candle is closing below 17,307, then I will initiate a sell trade. 307, I have to initiate a sell trade. So now I will initiate a sell trade now. So I'll be buying a put option. No, I cannot buy a put option because this is trading below VWAP. It has to cross 131. Then I will initiate a buy trade in put option. Otherwise, no. 131. What's the VWAP for this? Yes, it's 131. 131. Yes, my 131 trade is initiated. 131. I have bought put option. 17,350 put option at 131. 17,250 PE. PE bought at 131. And let me see what will be the stop loss. 131, 131, 121 is the stop loss. As usual, SL is 131. SL is 131. 121 is the stop loss. 121 is the stop loss and target is 1 Uh, 44. Target will be 144. If it hits stop loss, let me wait for some more time. Let me remove the stop loss. Let me not put the stop loss because it is trading well below 17,305. So let me remove the stop loss. I have removed the stop loss. Okay. So let me see what happens. I bought above VWAP. I have removed the stop loss. Now Nifty index is at 17,303. Let's see. This is inside. This is inside the CPR. This is inside the CPR. Well inside the CPR. Let's see how this will give profit to me. 17,301. I'm expecting to market to touch 17,270. Another 30 points down, I am profitable. I will get my profit. Let's see. However, I have initiated a sell trade. I have removed my stop loss. I have initiated a sell trade. I have removed my stop loss. Because market is very volatile. We can see India VIX is at 18. Bought at 131. So 144 is my target. The reason I initiated this trade because it came below, it started trading below 17,330. I was expecting to buy, initiate a buy trade above 17,330. That did not happen. So I took the reference, this as the reference candle, and I initiated a trade 17,307. And also the options was trading well above, started trading well above the VWAP. So I'm expecting this index to touch 17,270. My expectation is it will touch 17,270. If it touch 17,270 or my target is 144. If 144 is reached, I'm done. That's it. I do not have to worry about it. So 144 is easy. It's very easy because already market has reached the, this option has reached to 147. So it's very easy. So nothing to worry about it. So it is 17,295. So what is the status of the index? How are the index? How are the index trading? Yes, metal or Nifty metal also. Nifty metal is in red. IT is in red. Bank is in red. FMCG, media, and PSU banks are in green. Only these three things are in green. Apart from that, everything is in red. Yes, now it's at 88, 86. So it's very easy. So it's 138. So 144 is not a big deal. It's 291. It touched 286. I'm expecting 270. 270. So another 17, 18 points I'm expecting Nifty to touch 17,270. Oh, it's already into 83, 283, 285. So this is already, where did it touch? So 141. It has already touched 141. So now this is trading at 141 again. So if it is, my target is reached. My target will reach in a few moments from now. So it is 143, 143 and 144. My target is done. My target will be done. I'm sorry. It is still not done. It is still like 143. Where it is 177. So it will touch 270. I'm sorry. 17,270 is my expectation. 17,270 is not too far. It's hardly 8 points. 76, 75. I think my target is done and dusted. I think so. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, my target is done. My target is done. So hope you can see this. It's very clear. It's very evident that my target of 144 from 131 to 144, my target is done. My dear superheroes, be happy today. Thanks for joining this wonderful session. So today is also a profitable trading day. Thank you so much.